Are you looking for the best welding machine? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best welding machine on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Hobart Handler 140. At 140 amps, this is the strongest MIG welder that you can plug into a standard electrical socket. Unless you want to do major electrical surgery to your home, drastically raising the price of your welding hobby in the process, then this welder is probably your best bet. With 5 different levels of voltage selection and a wire feed speed range of 40 to 700 IPM, the Hobart 500559 has all the adjustability you need to dial in the perfect weld. The amperage can be set from 25 to 140, giving you great control over weld depth. Able to weld up to 1/4 inch mild steel, this welder will be more than adequate for most hobbyists and enthusiasts. The 5-year limited warranty shows how much faith Hobart has in their product. The only drawback to this welder is its rather hefty weight. At 57 pounds, it's still portable, but you'll probably want to get yourself a cart if you do a great deal of welding on the move. All in all, this is still one of the best all-around welders of the year. Number 2. AHP Alpha TIG. If you like to undertake a versatile group of projects, then one type of welder may not satisfy your needs. Of course, having 2 different welders can get unwieldy to move around and store. This is where the AHP Alpha TIG 200X shines. Combining both TIG and stick-type welding into one unit means you don't have to pick between the two. Since it can use 110V and 220V electric, the Alpha TIG will fit into most shop setups. It can weld up to 1/4 inch aluminum and 3/8 steel, making this versatile welding machine flexible enough to suit any project. A 3-year warranty provides peace of mind knowing that AHP stands behind their machine. All this adds up to make it the best TIG and stick welder for home use. The one drawback of this machine is that it weighs a whopping 69 pounds. Moving it around may be a nuisance unless you set it on a wheeled cart. Number 3. 4261 MIG welder. For many DIY welding hobbyists, budget is one of the biggest factors when making a tool purchasing decision. If you're worried about having money left over for your project's materials after you obtain the welder, then look no further than the Forney Easy Weld 261. This inexpensive welder can easily handle mild steel up to 1/4 inch thick. The infinite voltage and wire feed speed control allow you to dial in the perfect settings for every weld, every time. Forney's Easy Weld machine plugs into a standard 110V outlet. It produces amperages from 32 to 140. At only 19 pounds, it is extremely portable, and you can use it on the move with no problem. It's also got a tiny footprint, so when not in use, it won't be taking up any of your precious workspace. All this comes at an economical price with a 1-year warranty. Number 4. Lotus LTPC2000D Plasma and TIG Weld. Lotus has made a somewhat unique offering with the LTPC2000D. This is another combination welder that combines TIG and stick welding. Rounding out the package, they've also included a plasma cutter setting. That's 3 useful tools built into one portable machine. The plasma cutter can make a clean cut on metals up to 1/2 inch thick. The TIG and stick welder settings both operate from 15 to 200 amps. Unfortunately, this model doesn't include a foot pedal for TIG welding, and it's not capable of TIG welding aluminum. Although it's able to be used on 110V or 220V electric, it isn't meant to run on a standard home 20 amp circuit. Instead, you'll need a double 50 amp breaker and thicker wires than what's probably in your walls now. You're best off powering it with 220V, something not everyone is able to do. At 42 pounds, it's not the heaviest, but it's not super portable either. Number 5. Goss Mig 130 welder for home use. This MIG welder from Goss is low priced, and you'd know it without seeing the tag. It comes as a package with a mask, wire, and brush as a starter set for beginning welders. You can choose from 4 welding speeds and 10 levels of wire feeding speeds. At 35 pounds, it's pretty portable, and you shouldn't need a cart to get it around. While it is advertised as a MIG welder, in reality, it's a flux core wire welder and does not offer true MIG welding. It's also a unit prone to problems. The wire feed speed is inconsistent, making it extremely difficult to get a clean bead. When you're first starting out, this will only make learning welding more frustrating. This product often arrives broken, and there is only a 3-month warranty. Overall, this machine doesn't inspire much confidence. Better choices are available for the price.